Hello everyone and welcome back to Civil Nirman, your go-to channel for structural engineering insights. Can I combine two models in STAAD Foundation Advanced? So this is one of the common questions I receive from the students. So let's crack the solution. See, if you are looking to combine two models in STAAD Foundation Advanced, you are at the right place. So today we will explore two scenarios for merging models. For scenario 1, we'll deep dive into using Excel spreadsheets to combine the foundation models, and for scenario 2, I'll provide you some standard tips to take care while merging two models. So let's get started. So for the first scenario in which we will combine models using Excel spreadsheets. So let's say if you open your Advanced STAAD Foundation, in that particular, if both the foundation models are created directly in STAAD Foundation Advanced, you can follow the following steps. So in the step 1, you can export models to Excel. Once you open your STAAD Foundation, you have option to export them as an Excel. So open each model in STAAD Foundation Advanced, use the export to spreadsheet option to save the data for each model as a separate Excel file. In the next step, what you can do, open both the Excel files. So in Excel, you'll notice various tabs like support data, load table, loads, load combinations, and so on. Now what you can do that ensure there are no overlaps in entities like nodes, load cases, or load combinations between two models. Now if overlap exists, what you can do is renumber these items manually. Let's say for example, node 1 in model 1 can remain as is. Node 1 in model 2 should be changed to a higher unused number such as node 101. Now you can combine this data carefully. So start copying a data from the one file to other. For example, in the loads tab, copy the relevant data rows from the second file and paste them into the first one. Now repeat this particular process for the other tabs such as support data and load combinations. Now you can verify the combined file, means double check that all data are aligned correctly and save this merged file. So that's it for the scenario 1. With the careful attention to the detail, you can merge two models successfully into one Excel file and re-import this into the STAAD Foundation Advanced. Now for the second scenario, I'll provide you some highlights. See how to merge two STAAD models. For this particular session, I have already created one detailed video on our YouTube channel. You can go and check out this video. The link is provided in the description box. But still, for your understanding, I am providing summary of these two methods over here. You can check this out. And for the detailed video, you can check out the link in the description box. So there you have it, two practical methods for combining models in STAAD Foundation Advanced and STAAD Pro. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your fellow engineers. I'll see you in the next video, and always remember, don't just learn software, learn concepts. Thank you.